Inside of this video, we're going to be going over the power Cstyle. Now, Cstyle is a group power that allows you to customize your chat's overall appearance, including the chat button colors, and pretty much the overall style of it. So as you can see, some of the buttons come with gradients, the shapes are different, and the chat overall looks a lot more unique than the default. A xat.wiki link will be provided in the description as well, so it's pretty much going to go over everything if you do not want to watch this video. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to show you two chats. One is going to have Cstyle enabled or assigned, and one is not going to have it assigned. So as you can see, this is your default chat. The buttons are pretty much default. Your chat is squared off. And if you go to this chat, you can see that it's actually a rounded square and the buttons are gradients. You can see the shape is a lot different. And yeah, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this. So if I go to my chat over here, I can type Cstyle inside of the chat. And then after that, I can click on it. I can click assign my power, and boom, we have it assigned. You can alternatively assign it from the quick bar, go to group powers, and you can pretty much type the power name. So I would type Cstyle, but it's already assigned. So after that, what I want to do is hover over groups on the top right of your chat, and then click customize. And then I would pretty much type in my chat password or my account password if you're a main owner. So after that, you can select the group powers tab. We have the power assigned, so we can scroll all the way down inside of this page and then toggle Cstyle. So once you do that, you want to click on save, and bam, we have the power now assigned and enabled inside of our chat. So we want to head over back to appearances, and then we want to scroll all the way down, and here is the power Cstyle. We're pretty much able to change the button shape, button font, pool color, chat theme, chat name effects, chat shape, chat border color, chat shadow, and yeah, this is what Cstyle comes with. So if we head back over to the wiki, it pretty much explains every single thing. So chat name effects, choose any color and add a flashing effect to the chat name of the main pool. So that's pretty much just explaining what everything is. All right, so I'll go ahead and change some of the settings and I'll show you guys the after result. So the button shape, I want to go with skewed left. The button font, I will go with Comic Sans. The pool color, actually I won't even select that. We're gonna select a theme, so you guys are gonna see a gradient. So I'll go with Aurora. Chat name effects, I'll just keep it as is. The chat shape, I'm gonna make it rounded because that looks pretty cool. The border color, I can go ahead and make that, let me go ahead and make that pink. Oops. Oh, I have to click on save, duh. Okay, and the chat shadow, I will make it white. There we go, and now I want to click on save. After saving my settings, I can go ahead and click on the preview button, which will bring me to my chat. So as you can see, all the settings have applied. I have the Aurora theme, I have the pink chat color border, and I have a shadow that is white. So pretty much that is what Cstyle is. It's pretty much a power that allows you to customize your chat's appearance, and it's pretty cool. If you guys need any further help with this power, you can go to xat.com/help and just request some help.